Hello friends, and welcome to AK Agarwal Aptitude series. Friends, in this session we are going to learn a technique for solving a problem of data interpretation using line graph. Here a graph is being shown, and about this graph the information given is exports from 3 companies over the years in rupees crore has been shown in the graph. Export by 3 companies A, B, C. A is blue color, B is red color, and C is green color. This is the export of the 3 companies in crores over these 5 years is shown in the graph. Now using this graph you have to answer certain question. First question is, in which year average export by these companies was maximum? Every year they are exporting. In which year this average export was maximum? So to answer this question, let us prepare a small table. Total 5 years data is there: 2001, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This blue is representing company A. This company A is producing in 2001 40 cars, 40 crores. Then export is 30 crores. Then it is 50 crores. Again it is 30 crores, and here it is 70 crores. Put this information here. Now if you see export of company B is represented by red. It is 30 crores. Then it is 70 crores, 70 here, 60 is here, 50 crores here, and again it comes down to 30 crores. Similarly for company C, year 1 50 crore, year 2 it is 40 crore, then again it rises to 50 crore, then 60 crore, and again it comes down to 50 crore. So this is the information given in the graph which we are representing in this tabular format. Now in which year average export by this company was maximum? Now let us see in 2001 what was the average export. Export by A was 40, B was 30 and C was 50. If you add these 3 you will get total 120. 120 by 3 because 3 companies are there, so average is 40. Similarly in 2002 you add these 3, it is 140 divided by 3, 46.6. 2003 160 divided by 3, 53.3. 2004 you add these 140 divided by 3, 46.6, and 2005 150 divided by 3 is equal to 50. So now you have to find out in which year average export by these companies was maximum. If you see these figures, maximum is 53.3 in 2003. So answer is 2003. Average export by these companies was maximum in 2003. Now using the same graph, one more question can be answered here. During the years, average export by which company was maximum? 5 years data is there for company A, for company B and company C. So which company's export was maximum during these 5 years? So for that you just add export by company A during these 5 years, it is 220, and total 5 years data is there, so 220 upon 5 is equal to 44. For company B again you add these, is become 240 divided by 5 is equal to 48, and for company C it is 250 divided by 5 is equal to 50. So average export by company C was 50 and average export by B was 48, and average export during these 5 years by A was 44. So which company is export was maximum, average export was maximum? Certainly it is company C. So answer is C, company C. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. You can also follow me on Facebook. Thank you.